Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of my trip to Rishikesh. So आपने last video में देखा था कि हम नोएडा से ऋषिकेश पहुंचे and we had so much fun and we were on the way to Dhanolti, which I told you, or Kanatal, I'm not sure. Yes, it was Kanatal, but we decided to go to Dhanolti instead of Kanatal because वो ज़्यादा हमें अच्छा लगा in terms of the cold. So हम लोग Dhanolti पहुंचे और हमने क्या क्या किया वो आप आगे वीडियो में देखेंगे. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and do that. It will mean the world to me. And also like my last video or watch it if you haven't already. And comment if you want me to do any other video. So let's get into the video. How the property looks like. It's so beautiful. It's called Jungli Camps Resort. Jungli, that's one. This is the whole area. This is how we walk in. Those are the beautiful mountains. Like, this is the view I will die for. And trust me guys, if you come to Dhanolti, it's a go-to place. It's a must-visit place. I'm gonna show you guys around. So we booked the third cottage, so that will be our stay for the night and the morning next. These are the beautiful cottages this property brings us, and I'll just show you. यहाँ पे बहुत प्यारे से झूले दिए हुए हैं, then you can sit and relax. I'm gonna come here later, and then it's the view and the sun. Nice. As I was saying, this property is very beautiful. I am looking forward to have a great night here. Like, such a great. Well, by the way, I'm wearing this jacket because यहाँ पे ठंड है. The temperature is around 11 degrees, and जब आप यूपी से या दिल्ली से आ रहे हो जहाँ पे इतनी गर्मी होती है, and you come across a place जहाँ पे आपको जैकेट पहननी पड़ रही है, so it's very really relaxing. So this is the view from behind, and I'm looking good. I will be giving you guys a cottage tour. It won't be a room tour, it will be a cottage tour. So stay tuned for that as well. Now I'm gonna see you from my cottage. Hi sir. How's the Josh for you?
It's high now.
It's high and very peaceful.
Yes.
Wait till then we do some bonfire in the night.
Stay tuned for
Stay
lot
tuned.
of updates.
Yes. I was just telling them this is so beautiful.
Let's head to our room.
Yes, I'll be giving a cottage tour actually. It's a cottage. बस bathtub नहीं है, इतना बड़ा washroom है. Bathtub भी होता तो
Which is fine.
which is fine. We won't be, taking a shower anyway.
Right.
बहुत ठंड है guys. We already took a shower in the morning, so we don't need to.
Let's go.
Let's go. क्या हुआ? जा भी? अच्छा कितनी बार का? चलो. We are walking towards our cottage, so let me just take you guys, with me and see it. Yay! So these are the stairs जहाँ से हम लोग ऊपर जाएंगे. अगर मैं गिर गई तो
See, this girl is so
दाद भी नहीं
happy.
बचेंगे और कुछ भी नहीं हो जाएगा. मैंने मास्क उतार दिया because I am vlogging and this is for YouTube, so yeah, vlog में मास्क नहीं पहन सकते. So हमारा cottage number 3 है, I guess.
yes.
Yeah. So I think this is the one.
Yes. That one.
That one, right?
Hmm.
Come on, guys.
let's go and have some sneak peek.
So these are the stairs to something. जो हम रात को नज़ारे और ये वेदर एंजॉय करेंगे तो हम यहाँ चिल करेंगे. एक चेयर और लग जाएगी यहाँ बिकॉज वी आर 3 एंड दिस इज़ द बॉनफायर एरिया जहाँ पे हम रात को बॉनफायर करेंगे एंड विल बी हैविंग सम हीट कमिंग बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है.
बहुत ज़्यादा
गर्मी है. ओह सॉरी
बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है.
सॉरी माय फॉल्ट. ओके
Let's enter. So this is the room looks
this
like.
is our room for the night and tomorrow morning till we leave for our home. So very neat and clean hygienic room. This is for like 3 people, it's enough, and there is music as well.
Now she will dance.
थोड़ा सा देर. And there is music as well which is inbuilt. I think this is a speaker. This
Correct.
is a speaker with light. Okay, washroom. Washroom नहीं हुआ. So this is the washroom. जहाँ से थोड़ी सी लाइट आ रही है, आ सकती है. नहाने के लिए
We do have shower.
we do have shower, jet spray and everything. ये निकालने के लिए और ये और निकालने के लिए अगर ज़्यादा हो जाए तो. There is this beautiful mirror which we will use for makeup because that's what we are good at. So and we have a cupboard as well.
No.
Yes, with a safe.
See?
Safe as well to keep me our memories safe. I'm not gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, so we have drawers. Good, nice. A dustbin, obviously. So come outside. We're gonna dance here and outside as well in the evening. So that's all for the tour, guys. Now I'm gonna quickly change and see you guys later in the evening.
अगर हम जल्दी खाना खाने के लिए दही खा लेते हैं और क्या वो तो शराबी है हमने एंजॉय करना है. बड़ा दुख मिटाने बहुत दुख था बहुत ही ज्यादा बात से नहीं पैर फेरल से आए हम वापस से मुड़ गए थे.
दिया आप बताओ.
हम चावली का समोसा
दिया आप बताओ.
हम चावली का समोसा
गाजियाबाद ये हम गौर सिटी है. गाजियाबाद पड़ोसी हमारे हैं. हम मिलेंगे गाजियाबाद जाके.
मक्के में मलाई कहना पड़ लिए यूपी का नजारा.
Okay guys, this is it for the day 2. Now I'm gonna catch you tomorrow morning with the sunset. When the sunrise,
सनराइज
sorry. With the sunrise and the view. Good night. Good morning guys. It's day 3 and we are in Dhanolti right now. It's a very beautiful place and I'm sorry for my face. My face is looking like a piece of shit right now. I don't know why. I got a lot of breakouts last night due to makeup. I slept in my makeup. Was very tired. So yeah, we are planning to check out. What time is it right now, Kirti? 10:12. So right now it's 10:12 and बहुत ज़्यादा धूप हो रही है. So we are gonna check out in a while, like in half an hour or so. We're gonna get ready and leave for Mussoorie. We are not staying in Mussoorie as we have to go back. So yeah, we'll be just visiting the places in Mussoorie. अभी just हमने चाय वाय पी, हम थोड़े energized हुए हैं. अब हम change करके निकलेंगे. And I'm gonna show you the view of the Nolte in the morning. Good morning. How's the sun?
I'm getting lot of sunlight.
Very bright.
It's too bright.
Yeah, अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं?
We are heading to Mussoorie.
Yes. And then?
Then we will see a Kempty Falls.
Now I'm gonna get ready and talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. So it's, as I told you in the morning, it's day 3 and we are saying bye to the Nolte. And this is the look I created in the morning, jaldi baji mein jo ho paya. And I'm wearing this kimono dress which I'm gonna show you later. So yeah, coming back to the point that we just left the Nolte. It was a very beautiful stay. We had a lot of fun last night. And now we're heading towards Mussoorie Kempty Falls. And yeah, we might stop somewhere for some quick breakfast. And after that we will be going to Mussoorie Kempty Falls. So I'm gonna see you from there. So after this, we came back home, guys. जब आप कहीं घूमने जाते हो, वहाँ से वापस आते हो ना, वहाँ की फीलिंग अलग होती है. आपका मन नहीं करता लाइक फिल्म करने का या उस बारे में बात करने का, बिकॉज आपका एक्सपीरियंस इतने अच्छा होता है. सो वो मेरे साथ वही हुआ. आई कुड नॉट फिल्म एनी थिंग वाइल कमिंग बैक. हमने जस्ट लास्ट जहाँ पे खाना खाया था वहीं तक का मैंने फिल्म करा है. वी हैड डोसा एंड आलू का पराठा, तंदूरी वन. So yeah, that is all it for the second part. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This was a short trip to Rishikesh, Nolte and Mussoorie with my loved ones, and I'll be happy to do many such vlogs in the future. So if you guys like this, please do the shenanigans, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, I will see you in my next video. Bye.